Here I have OPPO Reno6 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Settings, then go to the Additional Settings, Backup and Reset, then in the Google Backup section, enable Backup My Data. Then what you have to do is to add your Google account. Of course you need internet connection to do this. So here you have to enter your email or phone number. Tap Next. Then you have to enter your password. Tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you will have to do is to tap Accept here. Turn on. And now your device will be ready to the backup. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.